right, it's our maiden voyage of AP European Online, so we'll see how it goes. First off, I would like to, express my concern for all of you. I hope that everyone is keeping it safe. We've talked about these things in class before. Not anything to mess around with, all right? Follow the safety guidelines and, be very, very careful out there. It's a very serious thing. That being said, we're going to try to do some history online here. I do not know what's going to happen with school in the AP test. There is some talk about maybe the AP test being done online this year, which would not be my favorite situation, but that might happen. As far as school goes, I hope that we're going to meet again this year, but that might not happen. We'll have to see how things play out. I am going to be posting some assignments, and I am going to be posting some lessons for you to watch. As far as accountability goes, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not allowed to grade anything over break or count any late penalties or anything like that while we're out. However, I will say this, the AP test I think is going to happen. So if you're taking the AP test, these things are going to be very helpful, especially the writing stuff. And then also, if we do get back to school, I'm going to count everything that we do. You know, some people that don't do anything might have to make some stuff up when we get back, or possibly we can, make these replacements for other assignments, and we'll work something out. But these are not going to be just tossed in the trash. We'll make something happen with these assignments. So hopefully you stick with me and go through this. I'm not going to burden you down with work, and it will be a break from your day. My hope is tomorrow I will post the first lesson, which is going to be the Pacific after Pearl Harbor. We talked a little bit about Pearl Harbor. I hope to do the Pacific after Pearl Harbor, and we'll probably go up to maybe the Battle of Midway, and then we'll call it, and then we'll pick up with that afterwards. The PowerPoint here, we'll see how it goes. I am going to have a PowerPoint hooked up. I'm waiting to get a cord to hook it up, and hopefully you'll be able to see the graphics on there. After the first lesson, if you can't see the graphics, please post, and I'll see what I can do to fix this, and hopefully we can make that as good as possible. I'm also going to be learning how to use a program called Zoom, which is a more video conferencing type thing. It's not as good for the lesson because you have to be there live for it, but it might be good for like a question situation. So maybe on like Thursday afternoons we can get on there and you can ask me some different stuff about assignments or some things from the lecture you're wondering about that I can help you out with. In the end, I don't really know how it's all going to play out, but I kind of feel, at the very least, we got to finish the story here. All right, we're in World War II, and we've got some time to go here, and it's my job to finish the story, and I'm going to finish the story. So hopefully you stick with me, and at the very least, we'll get through AP European, and you'll know that content just for your general life. So, like I said, if you see anything that's going on in this session, besides me, I can't change myself, that I can improve on as far as lighting, or maybe I'm not loud enough, I can't imagine that could be the case, then just, write on the comments there that there's an issue with that, and I'll try to fix it. Thanks.